Okay, this is Granddaddy and Kate, and today is the 21st of October, 2019, and this is a story that's very, very sad in some places, and then it's very, very funny in some other places, but it's a story about a pirate and a parrot. It's Granddaddy and Kate, starring in The Pirate and the Parrot. What do you think, Kate?
It's very sad.
Good.
One time there was a parrot named Kate. Katie, the parrot. And she lived on the couch, and she flapped her wings, and she ran around. Oh my goodness. She was real happy.
I heard it, her ran around, so it must be sad because she hurt herself.
Oh, but she told funny jokes, like, knock, knock, who's there? Funny who? Funny hoo-hoo, you're an owl, ha ha. Oh, she hurt herself, oh my goodness. And then she jumped up and she hurt her foot and she limped all the way around. She couldn't walk straight. Oh, it hurt so bad. What did the parrot say? So the parrot named Katie was hurt so bad that she wanted to call the doctor. And Mama, she called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more parrots running. Why can't we run anymore? That was the question. Because you might get hurt. Oh my goodness, yes. We don't want to get hurt, do we? Then there was a pirate named Granddaddy. The Granddaddy pirate. And he had a sore ear. His ear was sore. Oh no. So what did he do? What did he do? He used his good eye, this one, to call the doctor, and he went to the doctor to get his ear fixed. Ew. I gotta go to the doctor because my ear hurts. I lost my ear. Climbing up the topsail, I lost my ear. So the parrot went into the treatment room, and the doctor said, oh, excuse me, little parrot. Which leg is hurt?
This one.
That one? Okay, so I have this needle. Oh no, I have to give you a shot. Yeah!
Oh!
What's wrong? Did it hurt?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, sometimes no pain, no gain. Where did they put the Band-Aid? Oh my goodness. They put the Band-Aid right there. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Okay. And the guess who started feeling really better?
The parrot.
That's right, because the doctor gave him a shot, and the shot worked. So the pirate went to the doctor, and guess who was at the doctor with the pirate?
Pirate.
The parrot was there. And what was wrong with the parrot?
He had a sore leg.
He did. That leg was really sore. So they sat down in the waiting room, and the pirate said, hi, matey, how are you doing? And the parrot said,
Bad.
bad?
Bad.
Bad pirate, get away from me. Oh, sorry. But the pirate said, my foot feels bad.
Yeah. Oh.
Now, the pirate and the parrot had officially met, and that was the beginning of the story. So then, the doctor saw the pirate, and he said, oh, you've got an ugly ear, boy. ugly. That's right. But he gave him some medicine too. He gave him.
A shot.
Ooh. He
And
gave him a shot
and
in the ear. Ow!
Doctor gave the parrot a Band-Aid.
After he gave the shot.
Yes.
And so the Band-Aid went on where? Where we gave you the shot? Right there?
Yes.
Okay, so he got the parrot gave the pirate a shot in the arm. Oh! It hurt really bad, but I feel better now. Then what happened?
The parrot gave him a Band-Aid. Where did I give you a shot?
Right there on the elbow. Okay, thank you. And the doctor said,
Thank you.
the shot was a reversible shot. So then the parrot became the pirate. And the pirate became the rah, 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 the parrot. The end.